Pigment. In this episode, I'm going to show you how I paint some sunflowers, and then I'm going to share with you a project I've been working on. So we're at Hana Field, which is in Costa Mesa, and I've never been to this the sunflower fields here, so we are about to walk through them. It has a huge pumpkin patch too. It's really cool because you can actually walk through it. It's really huge. I haven't seen that before, maybe just because I live in Orange County and we don't have a lot of them. But what I was finding really interesting is the plants that grow around the pumpkins. The leaves are really interesting, so I'm going to turn it around and show you. Look at how they grow out of the ground, and they're really pretty. They look like a large four-leaf clover to me. So cool. Our real objective today is to get to the sunflower fields, which is right here. It's at the end of the field, and they have these beautiful orange flowers over here, which is really cool. Such great photo opportunities. Look how pretty those are.
Yeah, look how big those pumpkins are back there.
Oh yeah, huge. We got to pick out some of our own sunflowers to take home. We have 15 of them. Wow, I did not dress appropriately for this. I'm wearing pants and it is so hot. They have so many cute things here. Oh yeah. I really loved this sunflower project, and I was inspired by Van Gogh's sunflowers. That's kind of where I got the idea to paint these 3 sunflowers. I thought of it after watching this Van Gogh documentary about deep fake paintings of Van Gogh's sunflowers. It is a really cool documentary. If you're ever interested in watching it, it's called Investigating the Fake Van Goghs, and it is really eye-opening watching it. There's something kind of sad about sunflowers, but for some reason this year I was really taken by them. I wanted to learn how to paint them, and I figured it would be a really challenging subject to paint. When I was doing the research for this painting, I ran across an artist who, it was a really cool technique that she was using for doing underpaintings and botanicals, and she said to go purchase some neutral tint and do all of the shaded areas with neutral tint. This was something that I've never tried before, and I tried it on this painting. It was really interesting. Let me know down below if you think it was successful, or if you've heard of any other tips or tricks for painting sunflowers. I think the colors are really beautiful. I actually asked a few of you on YouTube what color the background should be, and I got some unexpected responses. There was a red and a green and then a blue, and so I chose to do a blue background on this, and I think it turned out really nicely. It is very textured and not a blocked in background, but I wanted it to feel really light. So that was kind of the purpose of this painting. I am going to be doing some fall themed paintings this year, You can find out more updates about that on Patreon. That's where I'll be posting a lot of my progress photos and my sketchbook spreads and just how I develop these larger pieces. Thanks for joining me, and I'll see you in the next video, or I'll see you over on Patreon.